Okay, I got this E320 Wagon 2000, the year's 2000, so an E320. I got this weird noise coming out of that side, and a stiff steering wheel. I believe is the power steering pump that went bad. It's not making that whining and grinding sound like, like metal grinding, stuff like that, but it's stiff. When I drive around, it doesn't get that bad. It gets a little bit better, of course, but it's not that bad, but still stiff. And there's this sound coming from this side, right here, right down there. Hope you guys can catch that. Let me get it a little bit. Probably up here. It's gonna be better. It's coming from this side, right down here. Right down there. Hope somebody can help me out with this, because I never heard that sound before. And I got a stiff steering, and so I hope it's just the pump, because I know there's a huge deal with these models when this type of thing happened. The level is fine here, as you can see. I've checked that. That's fine. I know that there's a lot of mechanics out there that they just tell you about so many other stuff like parameter valves and racks and pinions and stuff like that, and still make that sound, still making it sound. So I hope you guys can catch that sound and help me out with that. Thanks, and I appreciate your time.